I'll do a video, you do the boat then. Or actually, guys,
lower it down. Go. Just get the bow. To the stage when we're getting on.
We're out. We're ready. We're out the water. Joe, fill it out. Right.
What's the idea? How the only thing I would say is don't wrap your legs in woods or anything like that. Because if the boat does go over, obviously you got to pull it yourself.
Okay, my legs are going to go in here.
That's fine. Just they're big enough, but like,
okay.
Just as long as you know, like.
Okay, and Joel, you're facing backwards in that big void.
2 seconds.
Okay, Daniel, if you could press down at the front. Press down, press it down. Oh, right. Yes, you're right.
Once you're in, if you can budge over there a little bit, can you?
Go around that way. Joe.
Right. Oh, the other swords. The swords must be round there already. Excuse me. Oh, where have the swords gone?
What did you just say?
What happened? The boat goes to one side, and the boat goes like this. And the boat
Where are the swords?
behind
Oh, we've got some children over there fighting.
All right. Okay. Boys, we need the swords for the boat.
let's get the boat in.
There will be sword fighting. You can have a sword fight down at the end of the things after the boat race.
Come on, pull the boat back.
Guys, we've had requests from the audience. You must have your swords. Okay, boys, give us a cheer. Everyone cheered apart from the people I was telling it to. Thank you for the cheer, folks.
You're good there.
Guys, the boat's looking really good. It's come up to exactly the waterline.
Steady yourself.
When it's always taking part. Not this year. What's the rudder?
So far.
Have we got the bail bucket?
Oh, where's the bailing bucket? Have you got it?
Have you got the bailing bucket?
I don't need it. I think we're fine.
Yeah. Better to have it and not need it.
Comparative of what you
Yep. Ross?
Are you fine with the walking stick?
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Okay. A big welcome, everybody. Thank you for coming along.
Can you gentlemen move over a little bit?
These guys aren't the gentlemen.
No, the other way, the other way.
This is our first of 3 heats. There's going to be 3 heats. There'll be a first and second winner, and the first and second people in this heat will go through to the final. There's going to be at 3:30. Okay?
Head the other way.
race is to get your raft the whole way down with all your team members on it, the whole way down, and there's balloons down at the steps with the My Adventure banner. If you pop one balloon per team, and the first 2 balloons to be popped are the first 2 through to the final. Nice and easy. Are we ready?
We're not at a bit of a disadvantage seeing as we're furthest back.
I don't know. We might be a big advantage. Paddle wheels are generally speaking not as... Oh dear. It's not spinning!
Did you take the other hinge?
Paddles only, I'm afraid! Try!
Oh, we should have got the spade.
Get the spades. Up.
It's not turning.
Okay, the propeller system seems to not be working.
Another paddle.
No! Daniel! Oh, excuse me. No problem.
You can't.
Excuse me! Can you pass one of these to the last boat, please?
Alright, he's getting one.
Oh, how do you get in? No, at the moment they've only got one. Oh, he's getting one. Oh, excellent.
Shovel. I know be better.
Aye, but, you know, a bad one early might be as good as a good one late. Oh! Yay! Right, okay. I'm going to go round to try and get pics of them actually. It's actually quite different. Fly past. Come on, His-Spanner-Ola! Steer! I am, however, very, very impressed at the stability of the boat. It's sitting in the water really nicely.
I'm just happy that we're not last.
I'm just happy that we didn't sink when we went in. And we're still in, you know, on the camera it looks like we're close to the other one.
It's all about perspective, isn't it?
It is. Well,
Yeah. That one with the bike, with the spoons. It's pretty good. I didn't look at it first.
it's looking pretty hard
I looked at it first, I was like, oh no, they're looking like they're flying along.
oh.
Sticks to the spoons. Those guys,
Yeah, we go for style. He's obviously seen this prizes not just for the... Yeah, that's what we were going for. Yeah. It's not going to be the fastest.
And it's for charity, we've raised like nearly 15
I'd say it's very organised.
Yeah, no, whoever was emails because I thought we should do this, and I set up a thing that the
Well, we're ahead of the chase boat.
Well, from this perspective, it looks like we're catching up on the first.
We're definitely catching up. I'm convinced we're catching up anyway. We might even be overtaking. Oh, I think they've. Oh, we might not be dead last.
Our first winner gone down now.
We've got an overtaking manoeuvre going on.
Have they moved forward?
They're no longer last. The ones without the propeller.
Right, is it? Yeah, nice one.
We're happy.
Mad Dad's in last place.
Looks like it.
Just pause there, guys. Pause there right now, guys.
Come on, His-Spanner-Ola! Yay! Yay! Come on, come on, come on! This is where the additional hydrodynamics of the keel just kept us on track.
I think so, definitely. Thanks to your expert.
Thanks to my fake expertise.
It's better than no expertise.
Oh, that's true.
And we have a first and second, and first place was Avalon Barrier, and second place Nemo.
Can we get an honourable mention?